Hello guys, today in this new video, well, by the way, I bought a new PC, as you might see. The voice right now is pretty much clear, as you might notice, because this PC is new. I bought it. Anyway, my channel, it will be related about different topics, but in the major of case, it will be about business, how to create websites, creating teams, economic questions, business questions, all subject like this. I hope you find this interesting. This is the laptop area. Anyway, from now on further, we'll be able to upload more more videos, and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for guys for watching and for following me. Thank you.